What's good, guys? So this is video number 3 in the beginners Roblox scripting tutorial series. If you guys want to check out the other videos, then the link's going to be down in the description or the comments of this video. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So today's video is going to be about variables, and you can name these strings, or not strings, but you can name them like just names. So it's just really a name that you assign something to. Okay, so and the reason why you do this is so that you can use that name later on in the code. So for example, we'll have local Bobby equals Bobby's message. We'll do Bobby's message. This is Bobby's message. Okay, so now this name right here, okay, also known as a variable, we've assigned this string. Okay, a string is just anything inside of quotation marks. We've assigned this string to be under this variable. Okay, so let's use our print. Actually, I like warn, so we'll do warn Bobby's message. Okay, and then we have down here, we have warn and a warn statement, or a warn print, a warn log, whatever you want to call it. This is Bobby's message. Okay, so that is really all there is to variables. Now variables can be like 2 plus 8. So now if we were to print Bobby's message, it's going to be 2 plus 8, which equals 10. So it printed 10. And let's say we have a function. So local function get part. Okay, and our function, all our function did was it basically return workspace dot part. Okay, it's going to return workspace dot part. And so now if we were to print get part function, let's see what we get. We get part. Okay, so and now if we were to put get part, and now Bobby's message is get part, and now we're saying Bobby's message, okay, it's part again. All right, so your variables can also be basically functions, as long as your function returns something. If we were to just have this, let's see what happens if we were to just have this workspace dot part. Well, this isn't even a variable, so let's just say local part equals now workspace dot part, and now it's going to print no, because it's not returning anything. So yeah, that's pretty much variables. It's very simple names that you can assign something to, so that you can use later on in your code. Helps create clean code. And sometimes you're going to need to use variables. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.